That is an Xbox stream using this camera, the Sony FX30. It has the webcam native on Xbox. Now I'm going to go ahead and dispel this. Why in the world would you want to use a like a mirrorless camera on your Xbox as a webcam? Well, the truth is you might have one sitting around, but you can get really creative with this. And I'm going to mention that today. Here is the Vivitar capture card. And when I say Vivitar, some of you who are from the States know that this is just a Walmart capture card. This thing is $20. You can go get it on shelves in the store. You can pick it up online at the link below, and I'll even put some other ones, but you can also use any capture card that actually comes through as what's called UVC, and I'll put an explanation of that up on the screen right now. But if your capture card supports it, it can be used on an Xbox as a webcam, which is so cool. And what I wanted to do is to show you that this is possible. You can achieve this level of quality for your console stream without having to have a computer. This stream is directly from the console. I'm actually sending it, you actually see chat right here on the bottom. I'm sending it to Lightstream that's actually encoding overlays and a whole bunch of stuff on top of it. But that's actually being done. This is all just from the Xbox. You can set up Lightstream from the Xbox. You can do this from the Xbox. You can even set up to use a microphone like the Shure SM7B on the Xbox. Comment down below if you want to see that video. I have that one in the works for this coming week. But what I really want to do is talk about how you can use something like this and be creative with your Xbox stream. What you should think about is that you can connect any HDMI capture card that supports UVC to the Xbox and be able to make this work. So in theory, you could connect another computer to go in and let it act as your webcam, have a like separate game playing. You could connect a computer. You could connect a separate console to have another game, almost like you have two complete players who are playing on screen. That's a really good idea to think about. What if you had like two people playing on the couch and you're able to like have two Xboxes and connect them through the HDMI? Just throwing that up as thoughts. I know this video is going to be short, but I had to share this with you. You can use anything to connect as your webcam on your Xbox. Please make sure if you're doing this, go tag me on Twitter at Darkened Cyrus. Send me pictures of it. I want to show them in a future video, all of the cool ideas you do. Guys, seriously. Yeah, two Xbox streams, one having a pass-through HDMI into one so you can see both perspectives. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Check out one of these two videos. Absolutely crazy. You should see one of these, and I'll see you in the next one. Y'all have a great day.